palangga, and happy Valentine's Day. Ngayon is 14th of February and I have work. 14 hours din ako ngayon. So, this is our Valentine's be like. No flowers, no card.
No, give me that.
No, I just don't want you to be this as a habit.
Excuse me.
Yes?
You came home early yesterday when I was supposed to be going to collect my goodies. So it's your own fault.
Right,
So don't give me
okay.
that.
Okay.
You're still my Valentine. It's what's in here,
Okay.
not what's in the hand.
I know.
Right then.
Last year, I got a flower and a card.
You might do it this year. Well, there again, you might not.
Okay.
Depends how naughty you are. You've got to be really naughty to get them.
Okay.
Right.
Bye-bye, sweetheart.
Your fans
I
on
love you.
maximum in there. You have to take
Yeah.
it. It was very frosty.
Okay. Bye-bye now.
Bye, darling.
Many hours later.
I am home! At ito yung sumalubong sa akin. An orchid? Yes! My favorite. And a card. Oh, kaninang umaga ha, don't get me wrong. Hindi ako nagrereklamo na wala akong natanggap kay Mr. Pero ang sabi ko lang sa kanya na kahit na mag-asawa na tayo, don't stop making an effort to make me kilig. Ano bang English sa kilig? Basta, yun na, don't stop being romantic. Dapat na yung spice, kahit na mag-asawa, nandoon pa din. So, ala si Mr. Uy, nako! At gustong-gusto ko yung orchids kasi wala tayong kulay nito. May pagka-purple siya. Yung isang nabili natin, sobrang purple niya. Ito, may pagka-pale purple siya. I hope hindi to die. Wala namang sinabi dito. So, hopefully. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Tingnan natin yung card. Wala akong tripod ngayon. So, awkward angle kayo. To my gorgeous wife, with love on Valentine's Day. Ang ngiti ko. Oh, my love, you're John forever. Hindi to nagsusulat si Mr. Talagang ganun lang talaga. Merong sulat dito. Yan. Pero yun lang yung sinusulat niya. Sobrang, sobrang short. Pero much appreciated talaga na nag-effort si Mr. Ay. Hey, thank you. Hindi ko to ina-expect. After sa long day, meron din pala akong pa-flower at pa-card. Kasi nung nag-i-scroll ako sa aking Facebook, naku, nakikita ko lang, Happy Valentine's Day, kung ano yung mga ginawa nila. Mostly yung mga kaibigan ko na merong boyfriend at girlfriend or mag-asawa. Naku, nagpo-post-post talaga sila. At ako like, ay, sana ako din, sana all. Pero yes, meron tayo. Yay! Thank you, Mr. Talaga. Thank you. Thank you. He's watching. What are you watching?
X on the beach.
X on the beach. Thank you, sweetheart. Oh, you're fogging.
I'm not fogging. I'm watching TV.
Thank you.
Okay. You're welcome.
Kain muna ako. Hindi kasi ako kumain kanina kasi sobrang busy. Kasi kami sa trabaho, kahit na break time, we are still paid kasi yung sa contract, it says na you are paid sa break time mo. So, like for example, kung 14 hours ka, babayaran ka nila ng 14 hours. So, you are always on call. So, busy. At hindi naman ako gutom kanina. So, ayun, hindi ako kumain. At ngayon, gutom na si Inday. Good morning! Good morning mga palangga. It's another day. Bihis ako. Yes. Aalis ako. Meron akong pupuntahan Kasama ko si Ate Divine. Hindi na ako mag-vlog kasi first time ko tong puntahan. So, nahihiya ako. Oh my God, ang dami palang fluff nito. Kukunin ko muna yung fluff roller ko. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung tawag. Basta yung, makikita nyo. Wala akong tripod as usual. Hang on. Wait for me here. Ito yung binabanggit ko. Itong jacket na kasi na ito, wool kasi siya. So, nag-a-attract talaga siya ng mga fluff. Kailangan nating i-rescue. I-rescue natin yung bubungan natin. O, tingnan nyo. Nagpa-fluff na siya. Mr. said, yung suot ko ngayon, hindi daw sapat. It's so cold outside, so we'll borrow his coat, his jacket.
Our bestest.
I look like ridiculous. Right, let's go.
Don't let the dog keep on.
Oh yes, Mr. is right. It's cold. It's freezing. I need to put you somewhere. Finished? Ay, ang ginaw. Kailangan i-move ni John yung forklift. Naririnig niyo yan? Nag-i-squeak yung bubungan natin. So up again?
Yeah.
Tell me when you're ready.
Ready. Switch off. Right, down.
Down? Ang ginaw. I need to go in a sheltered area. Nandito tayo, nagtatago tayo sa forklift kasi pag naghihintay ako ni John, sobrang ginaw at sobrang mahangin. Tumutulo yung ilong ko, yung mata ko, it's so watery. Kawawa si Mr. O, nandoon. That's it, it's finished. Whew. Nandito na tayo sa loob ng bahay. Sa wakas, natapos na din tayo. Ang ginaw sa labas. Yung ilong at mata ko nagtutubig. I don't know ha, pero yung bagyo ngayon, feeling ko lang, yung bagyo ngayon na Dinis yung tawag na bagyo ngayon, compare sa nakaraang bagyo, hindi siya masyadong malakas. Feeling ko lang. Hindi ko alam kung sa ibang lugar, malakas ba sa inyo. Pero dito, so far, yung nafe-feel lang namin, malakas na hangin. Early in the morning, umulan kanina, pero at least tumigil yung ulan. At yung bridge na dinadaanan ko, di ba may river doon, hindi ko alam kung umapaw ba. Pero sa neighborhood namin, nakikita ko walang masyadong tubig compare noong nakaraang bagyo. So, titingnan natin. But so far, dito sa amin, so good. Wala pa namang malalang nangyari. So, be safe everyone. Kasi last night, nakikita ko sa TV na yung mga tao talaga naghahanda para sa bagyo, lalo na sa baha. Maraming bahay na nabahaan. Kawawa. Kawawa sila. So, anyway, that's it. That's the job. Tapos na yung winashing ko. Nag-washing ako kaninang umaga. Yung mga uniform ko at yung mga pangbahay. Nandoon si Mr. Nag-signal siya. Gumagawa ako ng assignment ko mga palangga. So, sinabi ko kay Mr. na can you put pasta on?
Is that okay?
Yeah, it's okay. Thank you. Ito yung lunch ko. At nakinig naman si Mr. na sinabi ko magluto ka ng pasta. Meron kasi tayong leftover na sauce dito. Matagal-tagal na to. Ito. So, kailangan natin tong gamitin. So, yung oras nga pala dito is 10 past 11 in the morning. Yeah, morning. Ano to? Ito si Mr. Kung ano-ano na lang talaga yung binibili. Pero, alam nyo, pag ako yung bumibili, sus, ang bibig ni Mr. it won't shut up. Palagi na lang may comment. Pero pag siya bumibili ng mga something, hindi ko talaga pinapansin. Nako naman tong si Mr. Tingnan natin kung ano yung new premiere. Parang pang break lang to sa utak ko ba kasi kaninang umaga nag-start akong mag-study and then until now. So, yung utak ko talaga nai-stress. Oh, no. No ham. No ham for Mr. John.
Do you know something? You had perfume on yesterday. Oh, it's a cheese. I haven't cut that cheese like that.
I haven't cut it. You? Hey, you cut that?
You've been cutting cheese, haven't
No, I haven't. Why? It's always me, John, when you make a mistake. I cannot see you. Why you always accuse your wife? You know, everything is wrong for you when I do
Really?
things.
No,
Yes.
there's only me and you.
I know, but I did not touch that cheese.
So I can't blame the mouse, can I?
But don't blame me for the things you've done wrong.
How come you're having bolognese for lunch and I get a sandwich?
Well, because I know you don't want it.
Favoritism. I love bolognese. It's my favourite dinner.
You can have some.
No, no.
I've offered.
I can't say it's my favourite dinner.
So, ito yung lunch natin. Magluluto tayo ng adobong baboy mga palangga. Defrosted na siya. Quarter to 4 pa lang yung oras dito. Pero gagawin ko na to. Sisimulan ko na para mas maging hindi kayo nag-focus dahil sa araw. Para mas maging tender yung ating pork. Pagkudan ko lang siya ng konting asin. While naghihintay tayo sa ating pork, I will prepare our ingredients, yung isasahog natin. So, gagamit tayo ng garlic, red onion, ito, yung red bell pepper. Half lang ng red onion yung gagamitin ko. Napa-adobong baboy tayo ngayon kasi si Mr. nagpaparinig na matagal na daw siyang hindi nakakain ng Filipina food. So, sabi ko, okay, tomorrow. I'm starting to fry. Dahil sa onion. Brown na. Sobrang brown na yung pork natin. So, ngayon naman, lalagyan ko siya ng soy sauce and vinegar and soy sauce. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce yung ilalagay ko and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Then, lagay natin yung ating red onion and garlic. Then, ilalagay ko na yung half ng ating red bell pepper. Then, later on, isusunod ko siya later. Then, lalagyan ko siya ng tubig. And, itong peppercorn. Nagbe-blink na kayo. Oh, kailangan ko din ng bay leaves. Bay leaves. And, kailangan ko din siyang lagyan ng brown sugar. Kaunti lang. Ayan. Then, haluin natin. Then, isisimmer natin. Then, hopefully, later on, so, malambot na to. Yan. Tingnan nyo kung sino ang nandito. Yung buhok ni Phoebe. Dahil sa hangin. Hello, girls! Ilalagay na natin to. Yan na yung ating adobo. Ito na yung finished product ng ating pork adobo. Yan na. Masarap tingnan, diba? Si Mr. nanonood ng Chase. So, ihatid natin yung tray sa kanya kasi matagal na siyang nagmumuna. Sobrang gutom na daw niya. So, anyway mga palangga, ito na rin yung vlog natin for today. Maraming salamat sa walang sawang panonood, sa walang sawang suporta. Maraming salamat. Pasensyahan nyo na yung vlog natin for today. Short lang, pero okay na yan kasi may vlog tayo. So, I'll see you soon. Mwah! Mwah! How is it, mister?
Really delicious.
Is it okay? You like it? How's the pork? Is it tender?